So believe it or not, but I've never caught a trout using bait. So I really have no knowledge when it comes to catching trout using bait. So if you do have knowledge on it, leave a comment and let us know how it's done. I, however, have acquired a lot of knowledge in using lures for trout. It's currently my favorite type of fishing, and it should be yours too. One of my top lures to use at the moment is this Rapala X-Wrap. You can see it's really versatile, it's lightweight, and makes it super easy to cast in small streams like this. Now, my most asked question, how do you use the lure? This is the exact situation that you want to use a lure like this. A small stream, you want to hide behind some shrubs, cast it into the corners of the river where the deep pockets are, and slowly retrieving back. You don't have to do any twitches, just slowly retrieve. That was my first cast, and on this second cast, I do the exact same technique, cast it in a better spot right near the water's edge, and I was onto a fish.
Yes. Yes. Oh my god, it's a little brown one.
Brown trout.
It's a little brownie.